Magandang araw mga kachika. Samahan niyo kong talakayin ang isa sa pinag-uusapang isyu ng hiwalayan sa showbiz, ang hiwalayang Katniel dito lang sa ating channel, ang Showbiz Chika Minute. Chapter closed. I hope this finally helps all of us move forward. I won't be entertaining questions regarding this anymore. Ito ang naging wika ni Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang Instagram post ngayong Huwebes, November 30, 2023. Kinumpirma na ni Catherine Bernardo na hiwalay na nga sila ni Daniel Padilla matapos ang 11 taon na kanilang relasyon. Sa Instagram post ngayong Huwebes, November 30, 2023, tinuldukan na ni Catherine ang matagal ng espekulasyong break na sila ng kanyang nobyo na si Daniel Padilla. Una nang naibalitang in-unfollow ni Robby Domingo at Direk Cathy Garcia Molina si Daniel matapos lumabas ang chika na nagtaksil daw ito kasama ang aktres na si Andrea Brillantes. Itinanggi naman ito ni Robby Domingo at Direk Cathy Garcia Molina. Naging usap-usapan ang hiwalayang Katniel simula nang lumabas ang balitang ito kay Ogie Diaz na di umano'y hiwalay na nga ang dalawa subalit hindi pa ito kumpirmado. Subalit ngayong araw na ito ay kinumpirma na nga ni Catherine at Daniel Padilla na hiwalay na nga sila sa loob ng 11 taon ng kanilang relasyon. Ayon pa sa post ni Catherine, I promise to never lose myself in this industry, so I've always been as authentic to you as I can be. I know what many of you are thinking right now. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculations going around, and as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that DJ and I have decided to part ways. I've been in showbiz for almost 21 years now, 12 years of the one half of Katniel, and 11 years as someone who loved DJ even behind the camera. I didn't grow up in this industry constantly being controlled and dictated on. I was lucky to have had the best guidance and support system when I started my career, and I've continuously worked hard to earn people's trust. But since I became an adult, I took it upon myself to take charge of my own life, the projects I work on, the way I dress, the people I surround myself with. I've always tried to be my own person. I was encouraged to think for myself and decide for myself, even when it comes to love, especially when it comes to love. What DJ and I had was real. It was never for show. We were together not because of the cameras, not because of the fans, not because of the money that comes with a successful love team. We were genuinely in love. We grew up together, dreamed together, and so many of those dreams became a reality, still together. That's almost half of my life that I would never regret and would never trade for anything in the world. These are 11 years that brought me joy, adventure, and the feeling of being home. Years that taught me the real meaning of unconditional love and friendship. He knew me more than anyone else. He was my first boyfriend. He was my comfort zone. He was my person. I will always have love for him. Like any other relationship, we tried our best to make it work. We'd been drifting apart for a while now, and we ultimately had to accept that we can go back to where we used to be. It just won't be fair to pretend that everything is still the same. These past few months have been tough, but thank you for giving us the time we need to process the pain and finally face the elephant in the room. Our love story began with respect and ended with respect. Katniels, we know you are hurting. And trust me, this also hurts us both more than you can imagine. The last thing we want is for this family to break apart with everyone taking sides. Please don't. TJ and I will continue to support each other as we try to heal and move forward from this. We will continue to love you and make you proud, but we hope you understand that this is something we really need. We hope you can join us in this healing process and not let those precious memories go to waste. Kaya natin to. DJ, you gave me 11 beautiful years and the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will be always grateful for you. Samantala, maging si Daniel Padilla ay kinumpirma na rin ang kanilang hiwalayan ni Catherine Bernardo. Ito ang kanyang mensahe kay Catherine at maging sa mga Katniel fans. Sa mundo, buhay at sa limitadong oras na tayo ay nandito, isang malaking biyaya ang pagmamahal. Ang mahalin ka at mahalin mo. Ang mga alaala natin ay lagi kong baon sa aking puso at maging liwanag sa aking madidilim na araw. Thank you for dancing with me during my highs and thank you for singing with me during my lows. Our lives may drift away, but our love will still ride that tide. Katniels, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo. Maraming salamat sa napakagandang pinagsamahan natin. Hinding-hindi namin ipagpapalit at hindi makukumpara kahit ano pang gawin nila. Hinding-hindi nila pwedeng sirain yon. This is beyond show business. Pamilya kayo at mga kaibigan. Magiging mahirap pero kailangan natin yakapin ang kinabukasan. Pray for us to grow and heal. Bal, ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay walang hanggan at walang katapusan. Maraming Katniel fans ang nalungkot sa naging revelasyon ni Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla, subalit sinigurado naman ng dalawa na hindi nila pababayaan ang isa't isa kahit pa sila ay naghiwalay na. Patuloy pa rin nilang susuportahan ang isa't isa at hindi hahayaang masayang ang kanilang mga pinagsamahang dalawa. Ito ang pinaka-latest update dito lang sa ating channel, ang Showbiz Chika Mini.